So today we're going to learn how to fold handmade paper envelopes. So I have my paper, I have a bone folder, I have a ruler, and I'm also using a cutting mat because that grid underneath helps me keep everything square. But if you don't have a cutting mat, that's totally fine. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a look at my paper and decide which side I like the best. And I like this side that has the strings in it, so that's going to be the outside of my paper. And so the first fold I want to make is the one along the bottom edge because everything else will be square based off that edge. So what I do is I put the good side down, line my envelope up on my grid to determine what square is going to look like. And then I take my ruler where I want that fold to be on the bottom edge, and with my bone folder I push up against the edge of my ruler to score a straight line. And then I can go ahead and fold that the rest of the way over and then bone fold it to make it flat and clean. And then the next step is going to be to fold these flaps in. So once again, I'll line this up with the grid where I want the folds to be. And then using my ruler, making sure everything is really straight. Gonna get up underneath these little side flaps and fold them up against my ruler, and then carefully fold that the rest of the way, and then bone fold it, and then I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the other side, making sure that everything is square. Sometimes it can be tricky on handmade paper because it comes out of the template like a little bit misshapen, and so that's why I find the grid helpful. Is it just helps your envelopes be more square. And then bone fold that. And then last but not least, this is going to be my top flap. So lining this up once again along a nice straight edge, using my ruler where I want the fold to be. And then I'll bone fold against that edge, fold it the rest of the way, bone fold it. And there you have a folded envelope with handmade paper.